Alright guys, you're welcome again to another video. In this video, I want to show you how to design a logistic website just like what you are seeing on the screen. You can see this now, right? It's very nice and well customized. So you can see how it looks, how beautiful the website looks. You can see, right? So you can see all the pages and all this is a form. Right? Everything is working perfectly. You can see all the features. You can see all the features. See the footer. All right. Now if you scroll up, you will see the menu. You can see you have the home for vehicle logistics, car shipping, air freight, rail transport, and maritime transport. You have the about us, you have the services page, right? You see the portfolio, you have the pages, you have other things on the website, right? If you also scroll down, it has a good, you can see a good interplay. All right, you can see how everything looks so beautiful and nice. All right, so I'll be showing you how to design this particular website, and if you stay with me to the end, I will also show you how you can get access to the particular template I'm using on this website. All right, so without wasting much time, before we begin, if you're coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up as you watch. And we also have other amazing content on our YouTube channel. Please do well to go through each of them, and we'll be glad to help you in case you have any challenges. All right, so without wasting time, let's begin this process. The first thing you need to have is a cPanel. This is a cPanel. So if you are wondering how to get a reliable web hosting company for your web design, also contact us and we're glad to help you achieve that. All right. So once you purchase your domain name and hosting, you have a cPanel like this. This is what we mean by a cPanel. So from the cPanel, just scroll down to where you have your WordPress. All right, because this website is built with WordPress. So just scroll down, you will see WordPress here. Click on the WordPress. All right, good. So now come over to where you have install now. So for this particular website, I will be using shipping. I'll be using shipping because I already have, I want to use this directory for this particular training. All right, so once I come here now, I will do all the necessary things, just put in your username and this particular one there, all right, just for the sake of this training. So once you are done with that, just scroll down, all right, just scroll down and click on install. I hope you got that. But for you who is doing this for your client, you don't need to put anything in this directory. Just install it straight to your website domain. All right, just install it straight to your website domain and come down to where you have install now. Click on install. So you just give it a little time, it will just install. All right, still loading. All right, good. Now we have installed our WordPress. You can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So once you are done with that, click on this. All right, this will take you to the back side of it. All right, take to the back side as you can see. Now, once you are here, the next thing you need to do is to come to plugin. Yes, come to plugin. Click on add new plugin. There's a particular plugin you need to install called Classic Editor. This plugin, just install it. All right, install the plugin, then activate. Good, it has been activated. The next thing now is for you to come to appearance and come to themes. Come to appearance, come to themes. All right, then come to add new theme. Right, then come to upload theme, then click on choose file. This particular theme we are going to be using is a premium theme. It costs about $60 to $70 to get access to it, but for you who will be staying with me, I told you I'm going to let you know how you can get access to this particular template you are using. So I have it on my system downloaded. I'll just click on choose file. All right, still loading. Good. So I'll come to my, all right, so I've already chosen the file. This is it. I'll click on install now. All right, I'll click on install now. So you can see it's loading. Just give it some few minutes, and after that it will be installed. All right, as you can see, it has been installed. So I will now click on activate here. You can see activate. Click on activate. All right, good. So once it has been activated, you can see where it says begin installing plugins. All right, so I will click on begin installing plugins. All right, you can see these are the necessary plugins we need to install. So I'll just come over to this place here. this plugin, click on it, everything there will be highlighted, or you can as well do it one after the other, but I prefer to use this. So I'll click on bulk action, then click on select install, then click on apply. Right, good. So as you can see, all the plugins have been installed one after the other. Good. You can see them. All right, so once the whole plugin is installed, we move to the next phase. So let's just quickly wait for it to install. All right, we're almost there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, this is the last one there. So almost there. Let's just give it a little time. All right, good. So you can see that it said all installation have been completed. So click on return to plugin installer. Good. The first one we did was to install. Now we are activating. I will select, click on. Then this time around, I will select activate. All right, good. Click on it, then click on apply. All right, good. So all the plugins have been installed except this. You can ignore this. We don't really need this. All right, good. So what we'll do next is just click on dashboard to return back to the dashboard. You can click on it here. All right, so still waiting for that. Okay, good. So we are there. I will just remove this. So this is just telling us that we are using Elementor. I don't need that. So I'll just do that. I'll click on this to go back. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So the next thing for you to do is to come to appearance. You can see appearance here. Come to appearance and come to import demo data. Come to appearance, come to import demo data. All right, good. All right, you can see the demo data. You can see it. You can see it. So I will just come down here and click on import demo data. All right, good. Okay, so just scroll down to this side and click on continue and import. All right, you can see it's been importing. So we'll just wait for you to import this demo. Once it's done, we can begin from there. All right, as you can see, the site has been imported completely. Now let's visit the site. Open it in a new tab. All right, let's open it in a new tab. Okay, perfect. Can you see our website is ready? All right, with just a simple click, you have gotten what you wanted. All right, now let's just wait for it to load up. Perfect. Can you see it now? This is our website. Everything is there. Right, everything is there. Okay, now without wasting time, let's begin. The first thing we need to do after getting our content, getting our demo content imported, is to get a particular plugin. All right, I already have the plugin in my system too. Okay, so you also have access to it too once you stay to the end of this video. All right, so if you come down here, you see the plugin, come to plugin, click on add new plugin. All right, click on add new plugin. Okay, then click on upload plugin. All right, click on upload plugin. You can see it here, upload plugin. All right, then I will choose file. Okay, I'll just come down to my download. All right, so just WP. All right, this is the plugin here, WP Cargo. All right, then I will install. All right, you can see the plugin have been installed. I will activate it too. Click on activate. Click on activate. Good, it has been installed and activated. Perfect. Now you can see the WP Cargo here, and you can see your shipment here. Now let me tell you the good thing about this WP Cargo. You know, when it comes to shipping, the major thing you are looking out for is the tracking number. All right, so the function of the WP Cargo is to help you set up your tracking number, is to help you arrange your consignment, which is called shipment. All right, so once you come to WP Cargo, now let's start with WP Cargo settings. You come to WP Cargo, you come to general settings. All right, come to general settings. Good. So once you are here, you can see all the type of shipments. So all these things come to you, come with it normally. With let's just say it comes with it normally. So you don't need to start stressing yourself about how to fix all of these things. So you can see it has all the type of shipments. You can see air freight, international, and the rest of them. You can see shipment mode. Then you can see shipment location. So if you are not cool with all of some of these locations, you can as well remove them. Right? You can see Malta, Mali, Maldives, Malaysia. All right, you can see some of them. If you are not cool, you can remove. Then you have your shipment carrier. So if you are also not cool with this, you can as well remove. All right, you can see DHL, USPS, FedEx, you can remove. All right, so you have the shipment mode. All right, what the shipment carrier means, people that will be carrying the shipment. So instead of these FedEx and the rest of them, you can put your own logistic company name. All right, so you come here now. How do you want to collect your payment? That's what we have here. We have the cash, the check, and this other one too. So if you are not too cool with it, you can as well remove. So right, you have the shipment status. All right, these are the status. These are the different state of the shipment. Is it on transit? Is it pending? Is it out for delivery? That is what you get here. Now you come to this part that says shipment logo. So the shipment logo is your website logo. All right, your website logo is your shipment logo. So you come down here. I'll click on upload. All right, so I think I have logo here. So let me just okay. I think let me click on load more. All right, the shipment logo is your website logo. All right, so I can just put that there. Okay, good. This is a website logo. I can click on this now. Or let me use this. All right, so this is my shipment logo, my website logo. All right, then the track page setting. I'll click here to select my track page. All right, track page. This is my track page. All right, this is my track page. Okay, then you have your font family. You have different font type. I can select Montserrat. Then the font size, I can select same. I can say 14. I can say 14. That's my font size. All right, good. Then you have your enable restrict duplication number. So I'll just then this part that says um shipment number prefix. I can come here and say let's say my website is a logistic. I can just say LGK. All right, LGK. All right, this means that this alphabet will be before and after the number. All right, that's the essence. So I also come here to I can say TRK. Right, then this number would be, I can just say this number should be 5. Okay, all right, good. So once I'm done with all of these settings, I can come down here and click on save settings. All right, these are the settings you need to do before you begin any other thing. All right, so I'm done with the first one. I come to multiple package. All right, come to multiple package. So I can do all of this one. There's nothing to do here. All right, let me just. All right, so on this part, you don't really have anything much to do here. All right, okay, the palette carton creator don't have anything to do here. So the next thing is to come to your map setting. All right, come to your map setting. All right, so once you come to your map setting, if you want map to be shown on your website, so you need to get your map API key. All right, this is it. You get your API key from Google. All right, so once you get the API key, you insert the API key here. You select the type of map. All right, zero road map or satellite map. All right, you can see the zoom. All right, it can be world. All right, so any of them, if you want, you can see where it says enable shipment map history. So you just enable the two of them. If you want map to display on every result, so you just enable them. All right, but for the map to be showing the correct location and everything, you need to get the API key. So that is from Google. So once you're able to do that, you can now copy the API keys and place it here. Then you do your save map settings. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the next one we have there is email and client email and admin setting. So to do the client email setting, all right, so you just come down to where is it? All right, so if you want client to be receiving email for everything you have here, just tick all of them. For every of the delivery, every of the status, they will receive email notification. So now you have your domain email. Your domain email is your website custom email. All right, you can see the example here. Let's say your website go, let's something like this. This is a custom email. All right, so your website and your email, so you have it there. All right, good. Then you have your mail to. Mail to can be your client email. So you put the client email address here. All right, WP Cargo shipper details. All right, that's how it is then. But you put your own company email here. All right, it's already customized. You can see WP Cargo shipper email. Shipper email. All right. Then you can see the WP Cargo receiver email is also there. Carry the tracking number. All right, so all of this information is what the client will definitely receive. Okay, this is for the shipper email. All right, so you can as well attach as many email as possible, but the setting has already been done. So all you need to do is to put your own customized email. Like as you can see here, admin, something like admin email, something like this. Let me just put it so you know what I'm talking about. All right, you can see this is a customized email. But this one, you don't need to put anything here. The setting has been done for you. All right, the setting has been done for you, so you can add as many as possible, meaning that the shipper will definitely get notified. Okay, so once you are done, you scroll down here and click on save changes. Okay, save changes. So you also come, this is for client, then so you also have the admin email settings. You come here too. Okay, good. So you also do the same thing, enable all of them. Then you can see mail to default. So right, you can also do the same thing. All right, you can also do the same thing. Good. Right, so just enable all of them and you click on save changes. All right, so with that being said, let's move ahead. Okay, now we are done with the client email. Basically, we are done with WP Cargo settings. So the next thing is to come to shipment. Right, come to shipment. Let's click on shipment. So shipment has to do with what you want to send out. That's what I mean by shipment, what you want to send out. So if you come to shipment, you can see where it says add shipment. I'll click on add shipment. Good. You can see this was the this thing I set up the other time, the alphabet, the prefix, and the suffix. All right, you can see that now. Then this is the shipper's details. This is the receiver's details. Shipper details is someone that is sending it out, while the receiver details is someone that is receiving the parcel. Are we getting it now? The shipper details is someone that is sending it out, while the receiver is the one that is getting the parcel you are sending. All right, so you put the information of the person here, you put the information of the receiver here. Then you also come here and fill all this information you have here. The weight, you can see it's already appearing, the package, if it's envelope or a pass or a brown envelope or a brown bag, any of these things, the product, you can see confidential. So just fill it like that, one after the other. Payment mode, carrier, departure time. You can see departure time is already there. Destination, where is it going to? The country is going to. You can see that. Then you have the carrier. You have the mode. Which of the mode? Is it by land, by air, by sea? You can see. Then you put the quantity, how many? If it's two. So basically, not like this one, a total freight. You can just ignore that. Carrier reference number. You can also ignore that. All right. Then you have the origin. Where is it currently? You can see that there. Right, so the pickup date and the rest of them, you can also drop a remark. All right, hope that is clear. Then the next one is you can now come here, you can see the date and the time. Then the location, you can put the location there. Then you can put the status. What is the status? Is it pending? Is it out for delivery? All right, now let me just show you. Let me just fill a default one. Let me just fill a default. All right, so let me just undo. Okay, let me just put it. All right, so let me just do that. All right, so let me just come down to Lagos. All right, so let me just put email. Let me just do it. All right. All right, so you can do that. Then I just put it there. Okay, so just fill it. Let me. All right, as you can see, I'll fill all the information I need to fill here. All right, so I'll just come down and click on publish. All right, remember I've filled everything. I'll click on publish. All right, I'll click on publish. Good. Can you see it has been published now? All right, so this is my tracking number. Right now, let me copy this tracking number and let me just copy it and post it somewhere. All right, I've placed it somewhere, so I will come back to it. So now let's just continue. So I'm done with that. The next thing I have to do now, that is for the shipment. So let's go back to the website. All right, let's go back to the website. So as you can see, we need to set up our menu. All right, need to set up our menu and do other settings. So come down here. All right, come to appearance. You see your menu. Come to appearance. Come to menu. All right, so I will click on. I will just leave. I already think I've published that already. So I will come to menu. All right, so this is, if you come down to menu, you will see main menu primary. You can see footer menu. So I'll just come down to main menu primary, select. Right, so you can see these are the default menu. Right, so what I will do is I will just remove the one I don't want. So I'll just come down here and click on box select. So I'll just remove all of this. I think all of this, just select this. All right, so just remove the ones I don't want there. All right, good. So just do this. All right, so just quickly do that. Right, good. So this shop, I don't think I need this. I'll just remove this. All right, so at the end of the day, I can add the one I want, and okay, I think I need the services, so I'll just remove this. This about us is needed. I will also do that. So I'll just remove this, then remove this. So once I'm done, I'll scroll down and click on remove selected item. Good. So these are the item that is left there. So I'll just come down to where I have this vehicle logistic and remove this. Then I'll click on this to go back. So this is the menu. So the next thing I will do here is to come down to where I'll click on view all. So I need to attach, you can see track. All right, you can see track. So I will add it there, add to my item. So you can see there. So I can just come down, scroll down, click on track package. Instead of just track, I can just say track package. All right, can you see that now? Track package. So I'll move it a little bit up. Right, a little bit up. So I will click on save menu. Click on save menu. So all right, perfect. So now let me refresh my site. All right, so let me refresh. Okay, still loading. All right, so just wait for it a little bit. All right, can you see it now? You can see home, about, services, track package, and the rest of them. Now let me click on this track package. All right, so let me click on track package. Can you see it now? Now it's asking me for my consignment number. So that is the tracking number I told you I will keep somewhere. So now let me copy it and put it there. All right, so I put it here now. I'll click on. All right, so once I put the tracking number here now, once I put the tracking number, this is tracking number, and I'll click on track results. All right, click on track results. Good. Can you see the result now? This was the information I feed earlier. Can you see the result? This is the email. All right, this is the sender information. This is the receiver information, and all the information I feed earlier on. Can you see them now? Can you see them displaying on this part? Now, if you want to go further, you can print out this result. Everything you have here, you can print it out. So if I click on print result now, all right, if I click on print result, all right, it's loading. Can you see the result? Can you see the result? It will print it out in form of a document which you can send across. You can download this document to your system and send it to your client. All right, so that is how the tracking works. All right, that's how the tracking works. So can you see this now? So you can do that. All right, so having talked about how to check the tracking and the rest of them, now let's go over. Let's talk about how to fix the header. All right, let's talk about how to fix the header and then how to fix the footer. All right, to do that, just come over to your dashboard. Let me go back to my dashboard. All right, this is my dashboard. Let me click on it to go back. This is my dashboard. All right, once you come to your dashboard, you will see logistic builder. All right, this is the logistic builder. Then you come to header. This is header. All right, let me just close all these ones. Let me close. Let me just close. Let me close. All right, so let me just close some tab here. All right, good. So if I come to logistic and I select, remember I said I want to work on the header. All right, this is the header. I'll click on header. I'll open it in a new tab. All right, this is the header. Open it in a new tab. Good. All right, this is it here. So there are 4 headers. So this is it. You can preview them. All right, this is the first one. Let me open it in a new tab. All right, this is it here. Can you see this is similar to what I have on my own there on my home page. All right, if I come to my home page now, visit, open a new tab. All right, good. This is similar to what I have here. All right, I'll also show you how you can remove this preloader. This is called preloader. How you can also remove it. This is similar to it. So what I will do is to just come down to where I have it here. Then I'll click on edit with Elementor. Or I can see it here, edit with Elementor. I'll click on it. All right, once you click on edit with Elementor, it will load up. All right, to load up good. So I'll just do a little minimize so I can. All right, let me just do. All right, I'll close this. Good. Let me just return it back. All right, so once you come over to this place now, the moment you click on edit Elementor, you start seeing this edit option. Right, so if I want to edit this option now, you can see the menu. This is the menu. Then these are the write-up. So once you click on it, any area you click on, now you can see it. This is the phone write-up there. You can see the phone write-up phone. All right, this is the solid. Then you can see the phone. You can see the phone number. Let's say, for example, I want to change this phone number. Now I can easily change it. Let's say I want to change the phone number. Can you see it's changing? Oh, sorry. Let me do it well. Let me just do that. Oh, sorry. Right, let's say I want to change the phone number. You can see that it's changing. Right, good. If I come over to this place now, just change it to 234. Right, can you see it's changing? As you are changing it, it's taking effect instantly. Then you have this other one that says email. Right, I'll come down here now. You can see the email. I will also remove it. I can put it my logistic Is it logistic? Yes, logistic.com. Right, so you can see that it's also changing. All right, good. Then you have the logo. If you click on this, these are the social media icon. This is the social media icon. All right, let me show you the social media icon that is showing there. All right, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, let me open it. All right, this is social media icon. Let it just load. Social media icon. That is the Facebook, the Twitter, and the Instagram. You see them there. All right. Probably when I'm done with it, I need to remove this preloader. All right, it's really slowing down this stuff. So I'll just wait for it to load up. All right, can you see the social media icon? This is the Facebook, the Facebook, the Twitter, the Instagram, and the LinkedIn and the Instagram. Can you see them there? All right, so what I will do is I will make sure I remove them. All right, so once I come here now, you can see them. All right, this is the Instagram, this is the sorry, this is the LinkedIn, this is it. So if you don't have anything there, you can as well remove them. But if you want to also ignore, you can just put a hash there just to make them mute. Right, just make it mute. Control A, just put that there. Okay, then come back here. I will also mute it. Right, I will also mute it. Okay, good. So that is what you have there. Then the last part, you can see your logo. You can change your logo here. This is your logo. You can change it here. You can change your logo. So once you are done, you can save. All right. Then there is a button. There's a button which says order. I think okay. This is the button. You can see where it says track order. All right. This button you are seeing here. All right. There's nothing there. So I'll just come down here. Let me go back. So that button you are seeing there. So for me to make it work, I'll right click on this package. All right, good. Let me open this site in a new tab. All right, I'll copy the link of that track. Good. I'll copy the link of this track package, this link. I'll copy the link, then I'll bring it here. In the place of where is it? Okay, track order. I'll paste the link here. I'll paste the link here. All right, so that when they click on track order, it will take them to this track page. All right, you can see how nice it is. So once I'm done with that, I can update. That is how to change. That is how to edit the header. All right, that's how to edit the header. Now let's go over what we have done so far. Let's come here and refresh. Let's refresh it to see how what we have done. Okay, good. All right, so you can see now if I click on this now, right? Okay, come here. All right, so let's refresh it. Once you refresh, everything we have done so far will take effect. This is language and this is the social media icon. Good. Now let's go to the footer. Let's go to the footer. This is the footer. Right? Can you see the footer? So also edit the footer. Come back to your dashboard. Right? Come to your dashboard. Then come to your logistic. This is your logistic option. Right? This logistic option. This is the logistic builder. Right? Click on logistic. Remember the first one we did was the header. Now we are working on the footer. Right? Click on open it in a new tab. So this is the footer. All right, there are 6 options of footer, but we'll check them one after the other. This is the first one. I will open it in a new tab. All right, open it in a new tab to see how it looks. All right, good. So you can see this is a perfect example of what we have here. All right, perfect example of what we have here. Can you see that? Can you see this is what we have here? All right, so good. So once you come here now, you can also do the same thing, edit with Elementor, because all the pages you are seeing there, they were built with Elementor. So you click on edit with Elementor. So once you click on edit Elementor, all right, click on edit Elementor. All right, perfect. So you can see all of these options now. So if you don't want this email and the rest of them, you can delete it off. You can just delete it, will go. Then for this other one, you can see the way, since I'm moving my mouse around it, it's taking effect. Then this other one you are seeing there. So any of them that you want, just click on it. If I want to edit this one, I'll click on it. I can remove this one. All right, I can remove that one. You can see where it says 2020. I can say 2024. All right, reserve, designed by. Right, just put your business name there. So just say logistic. All right, so you can see that. Okay, so if you want to do the style now, I can say Can you see that is there? Then the color, I want it to be white. All right, I want it to be white. Okay, then I come here. I want the size. Can you see that you can increase the size? All right, depending on what you want. Then you can see this one too. All right, you can see the, let's say, Rosa. All right, you can see that. Can you see that? So depending on what you want. All right, you can see that. Okay, so you can update once you are done with that. Then this other one too, you can also do the same thing. If I click on it, can you see the logo? If you don't want the logo, you can delete it. Can you see it's no longer there? Then this is your write up. Then this is your social media handle. All right, so you can also come here. This is the Facebook. You put the link instead of there, just put Control A, just put this hash. So you can put it there. Then you can put your write up. Then the same thing with this. This is your address. If you click on it too, you can see the phone number, the email, the address, and the days of working. Then this the days of working is there. Then you have your 9 to 5 or something like that. 9 to 5 exactly. So you can also change it. Right, the email is there, the phone number is there. You can edit all of those things. Then this one too is also there. If you don't want it, you can just right click on this icon and delete. All right, the same thing with this. If you don't also want it, you can as well delete. It's very, very easy. Then this one too, if you don't want it, you can as well delete. So once you are done with this, you click on update. Right, click on update. You can see that it's very, very easy for you to edit. Very, very easy. As you are editing it, it's taking effect instantly. All right, good. Now that you are done with that, I said you are going to remove that preloader. To remove that preloader, come to appearance, then come to customize, open it in a new tab. All right, open it in a new tab, come down here. Okay, open it in a new tab. All right, so if you come down to this now, you can see general. All right, you can see general. Right, if you click on general, you can see preloader. Right, this is the preloader. If you don't want it, I can just come down here and disable it. I don't want it to not show again. I'll just click on publish. Can you see that this template is very, very swift and easy to work with? All right, I've disabled that. Then I also come down again. What else do I want to edit? I don't think it's anything again. All right, I can just leave that. All right, back to top. I can also enable it. All right, what else again? Then you have your header. Do anything to do there? Then you have your header logo. Right, this is the header logo and what have you. So anything at all you want to edit, you can just take your time and go through them one after the other. This is the mobile menu. All right, the mobile logo and what have you. All right, so once you are done with all of this, that's how to remove the preloader. Then the last one we are going to look at quickly is how to edit the body. Good. How to edit the body. All right, let me close this. Now this is the body. You can see this now. This is the body. If you want to edit the body, each of the pages you are seeing there, the home, the about, the services, and the contact, you are going to edit each of those pages one after the other. So I will start with the home. This is the home. All right. So once you open the home like this, you click on Edit with Elementor. All right. You click on Edit with Elementor, so you can edit all of the pages, excluding the header and the footer, because we have done those ones separately. All right. So you click on that. Can you see now it's not affecting the header, it's not also affecting the footer. All right, so once you come here, you can see the write up. All right, you can see as you are moving your mouse around it, it's telling you what to do. So let's say, for example, I want to edit this one now. If I click on it, all right, you can see the slider one. Can you see that? Then this is the write up, and this is the write up you have there. All right, this is the link. Okay, then good. You come to slider two, you come to slider three. So meaning that you can edit each of them one after the other. Then you also come down to this right hand side. This provide transportation service since 1960. You can also edit it. This content, just click on him. In as much as you have enabled the edit with Elementor, so you can edit any part. So you can see that, all right, you can see this right up here, provide transport services 1963. You can say since 2000 and let's say since 2010. All right, it's changing. As you are touching it, it's changing. Every part is changing. All right, if I remove this now, I want to write up. Right, can you see it's changing anything at all? Then this is, you can see this one that says read more. All right, so you can see that. So if you want to get quality image like this, you can go to a site called free pick. All right, free pick will give you access to quality pictures. freepick.com. freepick.com will give you access to quality pictures like this. All right, so this is the site. You can see the free pick. So you can come here. You can search for shipping, logistic, delivery, any language you can use. So that will give you the kind of picture you want. So just come to free pick and search for logistics. All right, just come here, search for logistics. All right, so you click on search. What is this? Let me close this. All right, so you can see it's loading. You can see quality pictures that has to do with logistics. Can you see that? So that's what you do. That's what you do from this free pick. So you can get quality pictures to replace some of these pictures we are seeing here. All right, so that is how to edit the body. So meaning that the moment I'm done with the home, I will also come here, click on the about us. All right, in a new tab, you come back. Once you are done with the home, you come back to your dashboard again. Let me close this. You come back to your dashboard. You come back to your dashboard. If you come to dashboard, you will see all the pages. If you click on all pages, you can see this is the about. You also edit to Elementor. You will see contact. All right, you will see contact. You also edit to Elementor. Then, and the last page you have there. So this is how to edit and use this particular template. You can see that the tracking number is working. Everything on this particular template is working. All right. Now that you have come to the end of this particular video on how to use this logistic template to design your logistic website for your client, all right, and for those of you who would like to use this template for your work, all right, to get access to it, it will cost you 40,000 naira. All right, to cost you 40,000 naira to get access to this template. And if you need it, just click on the number below this, showing on the description of this video. All right, the number shown in the description of this video, all right, will give you access to it. And also, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not done so, and make sure you smash that notification bell so you always be notified whenever video like this are posted. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in our next video.